Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi guys, it's Sue from 1A Auto. Today we're working on this 2012 Chevy Equinox. We have multiple listings for parts of this vehicle. Why don't you go to the webpage and check out what we have for your car at 1aauto.com. So now we're going to change the plate light bulbs, which are located in the rear, right above the plate. You have a clear lens. We're going to start by propping the back of the hood and latching it. I use a door trim tool, and we just simply push and pry down. Guide it out. Pretty easy. This socket, just counterclockwise, turn, and you've got a 194 bulb in there. You just change the bulb, reinstall it, line the keyways up, and turn it back clockwise. To reinstall, reverse procedure. On the other side, you can pry it the same way. Pry down, slide her out, and then twist. A good way to see which one is the long elongated imprint. That would be the side I'll pry on. The thick side is the weight that has the spring.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.